happened again, this time on a USB drive. I just lost our trip to Cuyahoga Valley National. It's actually, well, we just lost our 2023 Ohio fall trip. All the data, half the memory cards are. I have some. I have what I got left. I got all these memory cards that I ran out of room. I ran out of memory cards. I just have to pull data off. So some of my earliest stuff from my trip is on my USB drive right here. And I got a problem now. The other computer stopped liking the USB drive, so I put it into my main computer here, and my drive is now showing blank, and looks like it corrupted the directory system. So my directory is corrupted, drive shown empty, no data on it. So that's not a good sign. So I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all don't remember, I have a video before. So this just doesn't work on memory cards. I mean, this is gonna work on this USB drive. There's about a terabyte of data on this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire up my Wondershare Recoverit software and see what we can get going here. So it's going to check the drives. All right, so it sees the drive, seeing 0 megabytes. So it is, something is wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and select the drive. I just did an update. Okay, so filter here. I want here's my folder. Okay, go back to the other one of these. I already pulled the data off. That one's done. This one's, I need that one. All right, we've got this one done, this one's done, and that one's done. So I don't need those. So let me go back to, and then I need all this. Okay, so we'll go ahead and tell it to recover. Oops. Oh, it's gonna make me log in. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm all logged in now, so I got full everything. So it's gonna be a little while. It's running. I'm gonna just let this grind. And it's to get my files back, hopefully. It just takes time now. Now I can went ahead and click the recover button here and pointed it to one of my network drives. So right now, I didn't have to wait for the scan to complete, as you can see. It's like, whoops, wait a minute, I can just hit recover. So I went and hit the recover, and it's in the process of recovering the files and set them to one of my network drives. So we'll let this grind away. I just looked. Here, hold on. I'll see. I'll bring up one. So it's in the process of restoring to one of my network drives. So we'll just do one of the GoPros here. And we'll just do this one here. We'll just pick the first couple of JPEGs. I'm more interested in the videos. Here's a video. So there it is. So So it's going through restoring those files. So we'll just let it grind away. Let's here's the other camera. This is the inside camera. So this is the Hero 12 that I have. There's a data file right there. And as you see, everything is restoring back. So we'll just let this all leave my computer be and let it go at it. All right, so we are almost done. We are at 99.9. Excuse me. Okay, we're almost done. We are at 99.99. Okay, 100%. So there's the folder. It's done. Let's open this up and see what we got. Hero 5 left, Hero 5 right. Yeah, we're running two different cameras on here. This would be the last. Let's see, sort by type, view. There's my videos coming up right there. Look at that. Let's just play this one. Yep. All right. So I think we got to sell some footage going here. All right. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Let's just randomly check. On this trip, we were only running cameras front and rear. Since then, this next trip, I was running cameras left and right inside the car. So let's see what we got here. All right. I think we got our footage back. Yep. Footage is back. So that was it. 900 files recovered. It did an excellent job. So again, Wondershare saved the day. It's been well worth the money spent. So covers it for now. I highly recommend Wondershare Recoverit. It saved me twice now so far, Pearl.
Good.
Uh-huh. Oh, there she is. Yep, she's gonna sneak out now. She's gonna run away. Okay, she's gone. All right, so you got some data problems. I've had luck with this program. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.